Iwaka, bibilin ka sa araw-araw. Kung ngayon niya binati, edi parang iwan ko sa'yo. Ano full first name ni best friend? Ano? Lance lang pangalan niya. Ay, hindi. May second name pala yan siya. Guys. Full song. And ito na lang. Siguro. Dito ako nakaka-relate ngayon. Sana. Tingnan natin. It depends. Depende. Pero dito nakaka-relate ito si Lance ngayon kasi malandi. Iyan siya. Stick season. May cover ako ng stick season sa IG. As cool as the cities lived in. Every word wasn't a lie. There were so many lines I crossed on rhythm. I'll tell you the truth, but never goodbye. I don't wanna look at anything else now that I saw you. I don't wanna look at anything else now that I thought of you. Been sleeping so long in a 20-year dark night. I wanna see daylight. I wanna see daylight. St. Peter. Naku, na naman ako. At saka ito guys. Ito alam ko na, alam nyo to. Pag hindi nyo to alam, eh hindi ko kalkul to. Chorus ng lover. Si. Mamaya. Sige, palampasin ko to. Madam lang ko pinagdadaan. Huwag ka na sumabay. We were in the backseat, drunk on something stronger than the drinks in the bar. I went to play something new yesterday. I say casually in the car. Kapit tayo sa Peter. We were a fresh page on a test, feeling in the blanks as we go. If the street lights pointed in an arrowhead leading us home. And I hope I never lose you, hope it never ends. I never walk on New Year's Street again. That's the kind of heartbreak time can never mend. I never walk on New Year's Street again. And baby, I get mystified by how the city screams your name. Baby, I'm so terrified of if you ever walk away and never walk on New Year's Street. Ano ba? Last song. So guys, last song. course, ng lover. Later, mag-relive ako. I wanna sleep. Personal lover, architect. So, gusto naman yung lover. Siya naman kayo natuwa doon. Sige, ito na lang pasong natin. Try natin kompletuhin. Leave the Christmas lights until January. This is our place, we make the rules. It's a dazzling haze, a mysterious way about you, dear. Haven't known you 22nd or 20 years. Can I go where you go? Can we always be this close forever and ever? And take me out and take me home. You're my lover. Di ako mapag-full out, guys, kasi pasigaw yan. We can let a French crash into it. This is our place, we make the call. And I'm highly suspicious that everyone who sees you wants you. I loved you one summer now, honey, but I want more. Can I go where you go? Can we always be this close forever and ever? And take me out and take me home. You're lover. Ladies and gentlemen, will you please stand? With every guitar strings caught on my hand, I take this magnetic force of a man to be my lover. My heart's been borrowed and yours has been new. All's providential to end up with you. Swear to be over dramatic and true to my lover. And you'll save all your dirtiest jokes for me. And at every table I'll save you a seat. Lover, can I go where you go? Can we always be this close forever and ever? And take me out and take me home. You're lover. Okay na yun, guys. Good night. Ay. Patulog na ako. At di na natutuwa sa akin yung pusa ko. Good night, guys. Thank you sa pag-join sa live. Nandiyan nandok ako. I might hibernate the whole day. Sana hindi, but like I said, sleep is my escape. So, thank you guys for joining. Good night, and sana happy kayo sa live natin kahit medyo kadrama-drama ng live natin, pero ginusto nyo mag-Q&A. Ayun, nag-live lang ako dahil may mga nag-reply sa story ko dun sa Ask Me a Question na namimiss na daw nila ako mag-live. So, just to let you know, I hear you, and when I can, I will. Sabi sa inyo, mantra ko yun. If she can, she will. Bye guys, good night. Don't forget to pray and start your day later with a grateful heart. Don't forget to pray and be safe. Have a blessed week ahead. You're gonna be okay.
See you.